In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Telegram channel private. To get you started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Telegram on your device and sign in to your Telegram account. Once you're signed into your account, go ahead and head over to the channel that you want to make private. Click on that channel. Now make sure that you have access to this channel settings to be able to change it into a private channel. So go ahead and click on the channel name of your channel, and this will redirect you to the settings. Click on channel settings, and this will allow you to set your channel type to private. So click on channel type and go ahead and click on private channel. So as you can see in here, you can copy this channel and send it to that specific person that you want to invite to your channel. You can also click on the share button too. You can also restrict saving content. Now go ahead and save this. Proceed on saving these changes, and that's how you can simply make a channel private in Telegram. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.